jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Cornerstone Real Estate Pattaya. Today we are at Mabprachan Lake, Pattaya, a quiet and popular area for family, close to international school, golf course and highway. Let's take a look. The price is 11.9 million. It's been fully furnished renovation with modern style, a 190 square meter for the living area and 126 square watt for the land side. Inside here, you will find an open living area, a kitchen with the breakfast bar and the large sofa. This house has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2 bedrooms is opening direct to the pool. Outside there, you will see a private swimming pool with the waterfall along with jacuzzi, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. If you guys interested in this house or have any question, let's contact us today at Cornerstone Real Estate Pattaya. Bye bye!